Hey guys, what's happening? How to customize your trading interface on Kraken Pro. So one of the ways to customize your trading is, hit the extend right here to minimize or maximize the chart, right? So one of the ways to actually, have a better visual of your own trades, right? And of course, on the left-hand menu, you can use the pencil, text, emojis to, add like a symbol to know exactly where to go back or where to execute, right? Or start the trade. And here on the left or at the top right here, you can see candles. You can change the type of candles you want. You can choose halo candles, HLC bars, line, area, HLC area, whatever, right? So choose the one that fits your own system, okay? And of course, you can see right here, preview, compare in the recent markets. At the top right here, you can see your own funds, right? If you choose it, you're gonna have a better visual of your own portfolio value and how much you're earning, how much you're losing, depends really. So you can see your own portfolio from the top right here, right? And of course, you can deposit, withdraw, transfer, or earn using the, one of their rewarding methods. And also next to the portfolio, you can see the Kraken Pro, in the Kraken desktop. You can use one of their programs or one of their apps to basically start and maybe buying, selling, and or have a better experience, right? And also, if you click your profile at the top right here, you can see the user settings, right? And you can choose the light mode or the dark mode, okay, to have a better visual, right? And here obviously you can see the settings, documents, proof of reserves, and all that stuff, right? On the left hand menu right here, on the left, you can see trade, market, analytics, portfolio, earn, a history, and promos to basically know exactly if you want to study more or compare between markets and choosing where to put your money, all right? And also, if you have any problem or facing any difficulties, you can select help right here to reach out to Kraken support, and they will help you with whatever problem you face, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.